The NVX SMW12D4 Subwoofer is renowned for delivering deep and powerful bass thanks to its impressive peak power handling of 800 watts and RMS power handling of 400 watts. Constructed with a carbon fiber reinforced polypropylene cone and butyl rubber surround, this subwoofer is designed for durability and long-lasting performance, making it a reliable choice for any audio enthusiast. Its shallow mount design, with a top mount depth of just 3.82 inches, makes it ideal for shallow enclosures, providing flexibility in installation without compromising on sound quality. The inclusion of a depth extension clearance plate ensures that the subwoofer can be installed in extremely shallow boxes, offering enhanced installation flexibility and ease. With a wide frequency response from 25 to 350 Hz and a sensitivity of 88 decibels, it delivers crisp and accurate bass reproduction, elevating your audio experience. The NVX SMW12D4 Subwoofer is a perfect blend of powerful performance and flexibility, making it a top choice for those seeking to enhance their car audio system.